Okay, here is a coin, dime, it looks like. Yep, right there.
What is it?
Okay guys, do you see it? Probably not, but it is a loonie.
What?
Let's see. It was quite deep down there.
Oh, yeah.
There it is. Right there. The bank is going to love me when I try to return that, that's for sure. Okay. Hopefully you can see that one. It's a lot easier to see. But that is loonie number 2.
What is it? Another loonie.
That buys me a coffee. Okay, it's shining a little bit, but it is a dime. Let's see, is it in the
I could have
scoop?
picked that up with my hand.
There it is. Okay, see you guys in the next one. Okay guys, welcome to the park hunt. This is, I want to say the park's probably 15 years old. Yeah, we'll get to it and we'll see what we can find. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Or first find. Okay guys, first coin in. I think that's gonna be a loonie already. Can't go wrong with that. One loonie. Oh, and I dropped it. Let's get back in here. One loonie. See you guys on the next one. Okay, here's the next dime. There you go. 2016. Okay guys, I could be wrong, but it's looking like a quarter. Possibly. Nope, nickel. Okay guys, storm is coming, that's for sure. And I just found this. Storm is coming. Okay, see you guys on the next. Are you putting your flash on?
Let's play a game, guys. He sees it, but I don't. Can you guys spot it?
You see it?
Oh, I do.
Is that a loonie?
It's a buckaroo.
Okay.
All right, let's see what year it is.
It's definitely new.
What year? Cool stuff, guys.
2012, I think. It's all over.
All right, guys. Let's do a live dig.
Apparently it's here.
I don't see anything.
Okay, it's out, apparently.
In the scoop. Oh, I see it. Let's see what year it is.
2011.
2011.
Might be a spill though.
Maybe next time if we find one, it'll be a 2010. Maybe we keep going down.
No, doesn't sound like a spill. Okay.
All right, guys. He didn't let me live dig this one, but give me 1 second. I'm just gonna try to zoom in on it before I put the flash on it. I know, but I can't do both at once. All right.
Yeah.
Hold on. There it is. All right, let's see what year it is.
See it?
No.
2003 it looks like, or something?
2003, we're getting younger. Or sorry, we're getting older.
Okay guys, welcome to the wrap up. As you can probably tell here, there are a bunch of things that you didn't see in the video. So I got a little explaining to do. Unfortunately, I've been having lots of camera issues with the GoPro, and it likes to either die very quickly or stop recording and not save my recordings. So nonetheless, I am going to show you all the stuff because as you can see, there's a whole bunch of rings you guys didn't see. But we will get into it. And let's start over here in the corner with the two sunglasses. Got two pairs of sunglasses there, no special brand. Then we come over here, we got a nice little car. Over here is the clad, quite a bit. So $7 in loonies. We have $2 in quarters, $2, $4, $6, $8, $10, $1.40 in dimes, and then we have 20 cents in nickels. We also have this foreign coin, whatever it may be. I'll bring it up quickly. Whatever that is. We have this lure, which is pretty cool. Then we have a whole bunch of earrings. Nothing valuable, unfortunately. Most of it's all knockoff jewelry. Like that. We have some necklace pieces. There's one. Nothing special there. We have some earrings right there. I believe that's an earring or a ring, one of the two. I believe it's an earring though. And then some weights. We have a dog tag right here. 2007 rabies tag, I believe. We have this. I have no clue what that is at all, but it does have the pi symbol on the back. And then we have this chain. It's not worth anything, unfortunately. Same with this little piece of this chain, whatever that was. I didn't know what this was, but thought that was cool. This was really cool. They are AirPods. They are actual Apple AirPods. Unfortunately, they were empty when I found them, but still nonetheless pretty cool to find. And then we go over to the rings. So let's start with this ring. Was on camera, thankfully. It is silver. This ring I don't think was on camera, but it has little gems. It's not worth much, unfortunately. This ring is pretty cool. The middle like spins a little. And this is like tungsten, or sorry, steel. This one here is tungsten. Definitely a wedding band of some sort. Very shiny. And then we got the first two gold pieces, ladies and gentlemen. And I can't believe I didn't get it on camera. But we have this one, the first gold piece. 18 karat, it is marked on the inside. I am currently trying to return it to the owner, but we will see if I'm able to. But 750, which stands for 18 karat. There's that. And then this piece, which is just as awesome. Those are definitely real diamonds, white gold, and 14 karat on the inside. Marked on the inside. Right there. So it is an awesome, awesome hunt, guys. Like really and truly, I can't, ask for anything better than that. Thank you very much, guys, for making it this far in the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye now.